everyone. I just wanted to give a quick tutorial on how to access Adobe Connect in case you've never done it before. So this is our course homepage, and if you scroll down here on the navigation bars, you'll see the link right here, Adobe Connect. So you just click on this link. One of the things that I will say is that I have personally found that it works better in Chrome, at least for me. On the teacher side, I know that when I was a student, it worked just fine on either Firefox or Chrome. But if you're, for some reason, if it's giving you a hard time connecting, try Chrome because it usually works better. So we just clicked on the Adobe Connect link and we've come here to this window. And as you can see, there are all the lists of all of the classes that, live classes that we're going to have. And of course, we are doing the mandatory meeting tonight, so that's this one right here. So if you're going to join live, all you do is click join. Once you click join, this new, and again, this is why I use Chrome and not Firefox. Just go ahead and click on it and just allow it to go through. If this is an issue for you, it'll go through. It's just that it won't work as well as it could, and sometimes your audio has issues. So again, use Chrome. When you're setting it up the very first time, it usually takes a little bit of time because you have to go through all of this. If you know it, then don't do it. But if you don't know Adobe Connect, you might want to take a few minutes for this, okay? Because you might have to do a few add-ons and test a few other things. But, you know, so I'm going to go ahead and close that. So you do need to go up here to the microphone button, and you're going to need to click Connect Audio. And when you do that, if you've never done it before, it's going to go ahead and click and kick up a little troubleshooting box, and then you just go through that to test it and all of those kinds of things, okay? Beyond that, that's what you need to do. Your name will show up here in the presenter list. I'll know who's here and I'll know who's not. And then once it's over, then it's available to you, okay? So I'm going to stop the meeting really quickly. And so once the meeting is over and if you didn't attend and you need to see it, then you need to click on this little button right here, Recordings. And this is only for afterwards. So if you missed the live meeting or you can't get in, click on this button right here for the recordings. It'll be there and you can view it from there. So you click on here and it's going to say there are no recordings for this video, or there are no anything, but there should be like a list here when it's recorded. And then you just click on that and you watch. Okay, so that's how you use Adobe Connect. Thank you.